Hello, ya guys. Today, okay. If y'all wondering what this video is gonna be about, if y'all are wondering why these two squishies are right here, I want y'all guys to vote on which two squishies are slow rising. Is it boom, the ice cream, or this half peach? And also, if y'all are wondering what happened to it, see, what happened was I ripped it because I wanted to, and I was really mad. Let's not get all into that, but we're gonna see which one is slow rising, and then we're gonna see what we can do to these. So let's get started. Let's get started with the video. So yeah, let's go. So first thing is, sorry, I'm chewing on gum, so kinda, y'all know, kinda hard to, say stuff, and yeah. Not go ahead and spit this out. Don't worry, it's in a paper towel. I don't know why I had a paper towel, but I did it anyway. So yeah, we're gonna start off with this squishy right here. So you know what? So we're gonna start with this one. Okay. So this one. Oh, smells really fruity. So next up, we're gonna be starting off with this one. This one is way bigger. And also comment down below which one did you like better, the ice cream or this half peach? Plum. No, that's a peach. I don't know what it is, but it's a peach to me. A plum, peach. We're gonna stay with a peach. But let's go. And what else I want y'all to comment down below. I don't know if I just said this or what, but tell me which one did y'all guys like. So comment down below that too. So we're gonna be seeing what all these stuff that we can do with this squishy. Can we throw it? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Can we rip it? Just kidding. I'm not gonna rip this new squishy. I brought this. This squishy was very expensive to me because I had to spend my own money. This thing was $4. Well, that wasn't a lot. But still expensive, a little expensive to me. Because I had to use all of my $5. And I didn't like that. I didn't. Next up, can we take pieces of the stuff that's inside the squishy? Almost broke it down. Yes, we can.